Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the boat modular table. The working surface of the table is 435 on 350 millimeters. The places for fastening baits and tools are located along its perimeter. There are 2 mounts in 2 corners for installation of additional accessory. And on the back side of the table you can see 2 mounts to fix the table on the vessel. Adapters that are included to the kit allow the table to be installed on 2 mounting points, which gives additional rigidity and stability. Adapters are compatible with all BORIKA FASTen mounts. The distance between their centers is 305 millimeters. The table consists of 2 parts, between which the additional panel can be installed, which can help to increase its length by 305 millimeters. The design provides the places for installation of telescopic legs that allows the table to be used on the ground. The body of the table is made of modified ABS plastic. Mounts and adapters are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.